Aging is often perceived as an inevitable decline, a slow march toward a future filled with wrinkles and fatigue. Yet, what if I told you that the narrative of aging could be rewritten? The truth is that aging gracefully is not merely a matter of genetics or expensive treatments. It's deeply rooted in the choices we make every single day. Our lifestyle habits hold the key to maintaining vitality and youthfulness. Let's explore how simple, natural practices can dramatically alter our aging process. First and foremost, let's dive into the significance of diet. The food we consume is more than just fuel. It's a powerful ally in our quest for youthfulness. An anti-aging diet brimming with antioxidant-rich foods can significantly impact our skin, energy levels, and overall health. Think of vibrant berries, leafy greens, and wholesome nuts. These foods are packed with nutrients that combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to aging. Incorporating healthy fats from avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish not only nourishes our bodies, but also keeps our skin supple and radiant. Additionally, protein is essential for maintaining muscle strength, which tends to decline with age. By focusing on a diet rich in these elements, we can create a foundation for a more youthful appearance and a healthier body. Hydration is another crucial aspect often overlooked in the aging equation. Dehydration can lead to dry, wrinkled skin, making us appear older than we are. It's recommended to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily, but this can vary depending on individual needs and activity levels. Staying hydrated not only promotes a glowing complexion, but also aids in flushing out toxins from the body. Water is life, and ensuring we consume enough can have a transformative effect on how we feel and look. Sleep is often the unsung hero in the aging process. Quality sleep is essential for the body's repair mechanisms. During deep sleep, our bodies work to boost collagen production, reduce stress hormones, and enhance overall well-being. Striving for 7 to 9 hours of restorative sleep each night can significantly impact our skin's elasticity and our energy levels. It's during these hours of rest that our bodies rejuvenate and prepare us for the challenges of the day ahead. Prioritizing sleep is not a luxury. It's a necessity for anyone looking to age gracefully. Stress, on the other hand, is a formidable enemy when it comes to aging. Chronic stress can accelerate the aging process by increasing inflammation and damaging our cells. Implementing stress-reducing practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and regular physical movement can help counteract these effects. Engaging in activities that bring joy and relaxation can lower stress levels, allowing us to maintain a youthful spirit and appearance. The connection between the mind and body is profound, and managing stress is key to promoting longevity. Protecting our skin from the sun is another vital step in the anti-aging journey. Sun damage is one of the leading causes of premature aging, resulting in wrinkles, dark spots, and an uneven skin tone. Wearing sunscreen daily, even on overcast days, is essential for shielding our skin from harmful UV rays. It's a simple yet effective habit that can make a significant difference in how our skin ages. By avoiding excessive sun exposure and practicing sun safety, we can preserve our skin's youthful glow. Staying active is not just about maintaining a fit appearance. It's about nurturing our bodies from the inside out. Regular exercise plays a crucial role in keeping our muscles strong, enhancing flexibility, and promoting healthy blood circulation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of movement each day, whether through walking, dancing, or any physical activity that brings joy. The benefits of exercise extend beyond the physical. It also boosts mental health, improves mood, and fosters a sense of vitality that is essential for youthful living. When it comes to skincare, opting for natural ingredients can yield remarkable results. Many commercial products are laden with harsh chemicals that can irritate the skin and accelerate aging. Instead, consider using natural skincare ingredients like aloe vera, green tea, and vitamin C. These elements nourish the skin and help reduce the appearance of wrinkles without the adverse effects of synthetic additives. Embracing a natural skincare routine can enhance our skin's health and vitality, allowing us to age on our terms. Lastly, let's not underestimate the power of a positive mindset. Our mental outlook profoundly influences the aging process. Engaging in laughter, cultivating social connections, and practicing gratitude can uplift our spirits and contribute to longevity. Surrounding ourselves with uplifting people and embracing a positive attitude can create a ripple effect, enhancing our overall well-being. The mind-body connection is powerful, and nurturing a positive mindset can truly transform how we experience aging. So, what does my daily routine look like in light of these anti-aging principles? I start each day with a glass of water to rehydrate after a night's rest, followed by a breakfast rich in antioxidants. I prioritize movement, whether through a brisk walk or a dance session, to invigorate my body. Throughout the day, I make conscious choices about what I eat, opting for whole, nourishing foods. I take moments to breathe deeply, meditate, or simply enjoy the beauty around me to keep stress at bay. At night, I ensure I get quality sleep, creating a calming environment to promote restful slumber. I also invest in natural skincare products, allowing my skin to thrive without the burden of harsh chemicals. Finally, I cultivate gratitude and laughter in my life, seeking out connections that uplift and inspire. Aging is not a battle to be fought, but a journey to be embraced. By incorporating these simple, natural habits into our lives, we can slow down the aging process and enhance our vitality. So, which of these tips resonate with you? Are there practices you already incorporate into your daily routine? Share your thoughts and experiences, and let's continue this journey toward graceful aging together.